In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order makeup in H&M Online 2026. Let's get started right from the H&M website. Once you land on the homepage, take a moment to let everything load so you can see the full navigation bar across the top. That top menu is where you'll find the beauty section, which is your doorway to all things makeup. Hover over or click beauty in the top menu to open the beauty area. On many screens, you'll see a left side panel with categories that help you narrow things down. This panel is really useful if you already know what you're after, like lips, eyes, face, or tools. For now, head into the makeup category to focus specifically on cosmetics. Within makeup, select View All so you can see the complete selection in one place. This gives you a full overview of what's available and makes it easier to compare shades, finishes, and prices. Scroll at your own pace and use any on-page filters you see to refine by product type, color family, or other preferences. If a product catches your eye, pause long enough to check any quick details shown, like price and shade count. When you find an item you like, click it to open the product page. This is where you get the full details, including ingredient notes, finish descriptions, shade names, and customer reviews if they're available. Carefully choose your color or shade here. If you're unsure, look for photos on different skin tones or any swatch images provided to help you decide. Next, choose how you want to receive the item. You can select standard shipping to your address or free pickup at a participating store if that option is shown for your location. Availability may vary by shade and by store, so it's normal if some options differ. Once your shade and delivery method are set, click Add to Bag. You should see a confirmation on the page. When you're ready, go to your bag by clicking the bag icon in the top right corner. In your bag, review everything carefully. Verify the shade, quantity, delivery choice, price, and any estimated taxes or fees. Make any adjustments now so checkout is smooth. If everything looks good, continue to checkout. Follow the prompts to provide the necessary details for your order, then proceed to payment. Before you finalize, double-check your order summary one last time to ensure the correct shade and delivery method are selected. Submit your order and you're all set. Enjoy your new makeup from H&M.